You are going to love the 2023 Pilot. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.